Back in early 2018, I was approached by Scott Burnham, who's the owner of Wailea Village. And Scott's goal was to really perpetuate local purveyors, local families, local businesses. And he couldn't think of anybody better than the Sabato family. And so he approached myself, my dad, and we looked at the space. And we wanted to be a space to where we could really perpetuate the Hawaiian culture and Hawaiian history through art, which is what we do.
A couple years ago, when I walked into Wailea Village Center and saw some of the tenants here and how beautiful and open this space was, I saw my building and I knew immediately that had to be Kohola Brewery here in Wailea.
From the very first moment that we came down here and set up our display, we knew that it was a good match and that we were going to be able to be of maximum service to our community. As people showed up and they were smiling and happy, and the next week there was double the amount of people because everybody who came told one of their friends, and the market kept on expanding. And I really knew that this community was authentic and real. The first time we had a big storm and it was raining and windy, and we brought our huge display down here, and what happened was the customers still came. They were sad to think that maybe we weren't going to be here, and we were sad to think that maybe they weren't going to be here, but we showed up and they showed up, and I knew that we had each other's backs, and this is what community is all about.
And we were able to see right from the jump how well both Wailea Village and Okami Coffee were, because at 5:30 a.m. in October when we opened, we had a line down the street. And it did not stop from that moment on since we opened. So it was so exciting to see the two come together, that the community wanted this, Wailea Village was successful, and also Okami Coffee was successful, and we did it all together. And we had such a good, teamwork with the management here working together with us, and it was just so fantastic.
The owner, Scott, has curated such a great collection of amazing operators like Okami Coffee and Spoon & Key and Kohala Brewery and the fancy Coast restaurant upstairs with an amazing view. We have Sabato Art Gallery here and the Paper Garden.
That was one of the most welcome things that we found out when we actually relocated here full time, was unlike our most recent stops of Las Vegas and San Francisco, where someone finds who has the best heirloom tomatoes or who has the best of something else, they kind of guard it, and that's their competitive advantage. Here, everyone was so open, and anything they could do to help, whether it is, who's gonna clean our hoods or who's got the best fish.
We all support each other. It's a very community feel down here at Wailea Village. We're blessed to be partners with all these great local businesses. Wailea Village is all local businesses.
Wailea Village is filled with food, shops, events. If you're looking for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, the restaurants all are amazing. We've been to every single one. The cocktails, great.
Cocktails,
Happy
great
hours,
beer.
great. You can see where we come from. But also the shopping, there is something for everybody. Our shop provides all the little things that you might think, oh, I have to go here to get, go there. We have a lot of gift, a lot of greeting cards, anything to celebrate life's little events. There's a children's store, there's bikinis and bikini market with clothing, and the art galleries are amazing. We do our workshops here, so if you want to have a little creative outlet, you can do those once a week. The farmers market is once a week, and I go down there and get my veggies and fruits for the week, and all the fun little foods that they have there.
Kohola Brewery was actually based in Lahaina. We lost the brewery during the fires, but we are so excited to be here in Wailea Village Center. The company is women-owned and run. We have a great product set. We have lunch, we have dinner, and a really fun casual environment. Tons of great local gastropub style food combined with best in class craft beer. We have a small batch craft brewery upcountry that directly feeds the beer to the location. So we have everything from cocktails, wines, phenomenal happy hour, tons of open area and spaces. Bring the family, little play area for kids in the view of their moms and dads while they're enjoying their beers. Just a really fun local place, but where everybody can feel invited.
Pretty large selection of dishes. Flavor profile on our spices is from all over the world. We have dishes that have Moroccan spices, dishes that have Hawaiian spices, French, Italian, good amount of Italian. And our chefs are from the East Coast, so there's a little East Coast influence on our menu.
We don't pigeonhole ourselves into one individual cuisine. I would say, we use local as much as we can, but with world techniques.
We are trying to have a, kind of an eclectic mix, a smart mix, a little something for everyone, with some local spirits sprinkled in there as well. And then beers, we're also doing exclusively Hawaiian beers.
We grow over 100 unique varieties of produce, everything from zucchini to tomatoes. We have sweet potatoes and carrots, root crops like beets and taro and cassava, watermelon radish. We have all your favorite vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower, cabbage, bok choy, beautiful radicchio, dandelion greens, lovely leeks, lettuces, kales, chard, fennel, radishes, all your favorite herbs, arugula, spinach, beautiful asparagus, fresh harvested.
We offer greeting cards, stationery, wrapping paper. We actually wrap gifts for you. We also have journals and writing instruments, art supplies, and a lot of local vendor product that you can take home with you. And we do a lot of party supplies, napkins, cocktail napkins, so that you can have for your events that you might have here on the island. Lots of inspirational items, books, things like that as well.
Here at Okami Coffee, we have a whole variety of different things you can order. We have fresh, locally roasted coffee that we actually have at our farms and grow, and then we ship it here to Maui, roast it here fresh. You can buy that in small packages to go, and we also make everything from espresso drinks to cold brews, and we also have matchas, decaf, water processed decaf. When it comes to food, we have a selection of fresh baked goods, and we also have excellent local organic produce when it comes to our restaurant style foods.
We actually started doing workshops here. They're creative workshops. We wanted to bring art and creativity to our community here. Beautiful ocean view lanai, and it's open air and people just love it. And so it's just really grown into quite a creative community. Locals and visitors alike come, and they come often, repeat. They've made friends. We've made friends. It's just such a great outlet for people to come over here and just let their creative juices flow.
Being a small local business, it's really important to have great neighbors. I can't stress that enough. I love the owners in these buildings. They're all small businesses. They care deeply about the product that they're delivering to their customers, whether that's beautiful sunwear, amazing food, best-in-class coffee, all local brands owned by local people who are passionate about giving back to our Maui community. It's really important to me to have that relationship. And I think one of the things that I love about Wailea Village Center is you can really be here and explore and engage in all of it. We actually encourage and support our guests to go visit the other restaurants, go visit Tiki How for an amazing cocktail, best bar in Maui, by the way. So we're all prideful around who we are as a community and really creating an experience that is not just about our own personal businesses, but really about giving you this flavor of small businesses, local brands that are really premium and delivering some amazing stuff.
If you live down here in Wailea or you're visiting or in South Maui, this is an amazing gem of a spot. You can find everything that you need right here in Wailea Village. It's a great spot. You definitely have to come. It's the gem of South Maui.
Oko'a, Oko'a.